Hi there. We have decided to donate to the victims of the typhoon. So Marge, Kathy, Ogot, and I gave what we could give and collected it here.
We donated canned goods, blankets. What else did we donate, Joji?
Don't worry, I already put them all in this table.
This is good, Joji. This will help us see how many items we donated.
Look, here, you can see your name, the number of items, and what you donated.
So many numbers. Sometimes tables like that can be confusing because of all of the numbers.
Maybe it would be easier if this were put into a bar graph, or a pie chart, or a pictograph.
Surprise! Here's the answer to your wish. What's that? A bar graph. And a pie chart. Off from the table made by Joji. Really?
Yes, I gave them the assignment to make graphs out of this table. And I think there it is. Can we see it, guys?
Here's the bar graph. As you can see, we have collected a lot of clothes. I think there's enough water. And almost the same number of blankets, slippers, and canned goods. Wow, I can see it clearly. You have the items we donated. In another view, this is the pie chart. You'll notice that almost half of our donations are clothes. Looks great, guys. Nice graphs.
That's right, Ogot. These are great. But, no one has made a pictograph yet. Hey, do you want to help us make a pictograph? That's great! Come on! Let's make a pictograph of the things we donated. Let's call this pictograph Donations. We should put the items that we donated on this side. We donated canned goods, bottled water, clothes, blankets, and slippers. We donated 24 canned goods, 39 bottles of water, 72 pieces of clothes, 22 blankets, and 24 slippers. There! That's the pictograph of our donations. Thank you for your help. Always remember to put the title and the labels needed for the tables, graphs, and pictographs that you make. Based on these graphs, it seems we need more canned goods.
Yes, I think we can add more of that. Maybe we can ask our neighbors if they want to give something. But haven't they donated to the barangay already? Yes, they did. But I think there are still some who still want to donate, but don't know where to give it.
Well, there's only one way to find out. We have to go around the neighborhood and ask.
And collect if there's anyone who wants to donate. I can do that.
Really? Thanks, Marge.
But what if many of our neighbors give donations? Marge can't carry that alone. Someone has to go with her, so I also volunteer.
Good point, Ogot. You two will go around the...
Wait!
What is it, Kathy?
I don't think 2 is enough to carry those donations. Maybe 3.
So wait, do you want to go all around the neighborhood and ask?
Is it okay?
Of course. You know what? Let's all go together. What do you think?
Yes, let's go!
Sometimes teamwork makes things easier and better.
What?